Well, it's hot. So there is a front jack point. Huh? You just have to take everything off before you can use it. Well, I can feel this is warm.
For the oil?
Oh yeah.
Not do it, and that's for future. Insurance wouldn't cover it.
No, insurance wouldn't cover it. But they would. I mean, listen, if something happens, you know.
Yeah, but if I didn't do the recall, you know?
Oh, I mean, you could say it got lost in the mail, you know. What side? I gotta get this. Is this 20?
They take the whole thing out, and they have to do everything perfectly.
26 or 27? Do I really not have a 20?
Huh?
I'm trying to see what socket this is. Apparently it's like a 26 or a 27. I'm like, how do I not have that as a socket? No, 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 no. Oh, no. Oh, no. .3. It is one.
Yeah, I can see the air, the heat radiating.
Yeah, the oil was warm. It's okay. Wasn't too bad.
It's just amazing to me how like hot to cold to freezing, you know.
Yep.
But
alright?
Where the hell was that?
Dude, it was on that piece of sheet there.
How the hell did it not make noises when I was driving?
I don't know, dude.
Fall out.
I don't know how I didn't notice it last time around. You know what this is. Oh, not bad.
Huh?
They're not horrible. But the problem is they're probably from the manufacturer. And manufacturer brakes aren't, in my opinion, they're not the best.
You know, it's definitely shaking. Vibrating.
Oh, I felt it when we took it out the last time I was by you. This one was close. Oh yeah, brother. Oh yeah. Very much. Very good. It's possible, but I mean, I've seen companies, you know, come out with a significantly smaller caliper, and it's oh, because they're not squeezed in. Okay. Okay, we shouldn't hear any noise now.
Yeah, I think it's good now.
I can already tell we don't hear noise. Okay, let's roll up the windows for the audio. Put on the seat. For the camera, let's... It's okay. imagine this with the full exhaust downpipe back and a tune.
Yeah.
It'd be so much more power, man.
I know.
And it's already feels so much fun. But it's tight, you know, for a car that's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
It masks the weight so well. Oh, the way it like pushes you is great.
Paper check. Just give it. What did you say was the oil?
91. At the end of the day, if they were willing to own up and do it,